Hi guys, welcome to Baseball Day. Woohoo! Baseball Stats Day today. We just talked about 7.3. We're now going to do this fun little mini project together. It is a stats activity. It's an in-class only today. You should have no homework tonight. So everybody should get a packet. Between 4 of you, you should have 1 packet. Okay, so this is a group of 4 project. No, not 5, not 6, not 7, 4. If you need to adjust for class size, you're going to go down, not up. So if you have over 4, you have 1 person out, you're going to make 2 groups of uneven matches, okay? So try to get within 3 to 4 if you can, but no groups of 5. It just gets too crazy. So go ahead and put all of your names on the front of this packet so that we only have to turn in 1, your date and your period, and we'll get started. Alrighty, here's the dealio. It is completely workable by you. There is nothing in here that you haven't seen before. You have these 5 questions. Okay, you need to answer these 5 questions first. On the next page, you will see a big table. Okay, you're going to have to fill in this table. No, there are no answers to this table. Sorry, got to work with your team. It's all about z-scores and standard deviations and means and all that jazz. You can use a calculator. You can use one of the 89 pluses, okay, to help you with the mean and the standard deviation. But no, these calculators do not do z-scores, so you're going to have to do z-scores for all these bad boys, and for both of these. The thing's going to walk you through it. Starting with part 6, we're going to come back for just a minute and review that together. So once you finished 1 through 5, please let the sub know, and then you're going to hang out for a minute before we go to 6. When you feel that you've gotten to that point, when the whole class got to that point, you can turn the video back on and we'll talk about 6, okay? Good luck! Alright, so you should pause the video. Okay, make sure you pause the video if you're not quite ready to do 6 yet. 6 is talking about, where did it go? Box plots. So we're looking at this kind of statistics graph here, right? And then right below it, you're going to see 7. 7 is talking about a box plot. A box plot is a throwback to to Secondary Math 1. So we're going to refresh it real fast. We're just going to kind of do 7 together. Below are 2 box and whisker plots of the team payroll data. One includes all of the data, and the other displays the outliers separately. So these are the same stats. This is the same things of the payroll. Okay, this is not payroll and wins. This is 2 payrolls. But one of them has outlier included. One of them has outlier excluded. Okay, there was one team. You're gonna figure out which one. You should have already figured it out. Who was too crazy? Who was crazy? Okay, so you're gonna figure that one out. From the data, determine and label the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. 3 of these shouldn't be too hard to figure out. Minimum, maximum, median, not too bad. But let's go ahead and label those. This is the minimum, meaning the smallest value. This would be the maximum, meaning the largest value. Okay, I know, super complicated. And then right here in the middle of the box here, you get the median. I'm not writing them below because you're actually going to put in some data there, okay? So I'm not writing it down below. I'm just labeling them for you. The quartiles, think quarters, okay? Think throwback, way back when, to like quarters. The quartiles are going to be outside these boxes. The outside of the boxes, pardon me. We sometimes use subscripts, Q1, Q3, okay? Q2 is the median. So the same thing as 2 quarters is 1/2 is the middle, is the median, right? So we don't usually have a Q2, but we have first quarter, third quarter, min, max, in the middle, okay? Alrighty, so now you're going to take what you found, or what you're going to find from these guys, and you're going to finish out this box. You're going to notice at the bottom of this packet, the back of this packet, how to maybe make a box plot and find information with your calculator. So maybe check that out, okay? And then you're going to use it to kind of finish out this project. Make sure you answer all the way through number 10. As soon as you do finish, you can turn it in. Yes, it's a hefty amount of points, so please make sure you finish before the end of the day. No, it is not homework, so please try to finish before the bell rings. And I will see you guys all in 7.4.